In the misty mountains of Mexico's Sierra Madre de Oaxaca, a remarkable creature fights for survival. The Mexican alligator lizard, also known as Abronia graminea. With its striking emerald scales, this arboreal lizard thrives in the cool, damp canopies of cloud forests and pine oak forests, often hiding within bromeliads. These lizards primarily feed on insects, but their greatest threat isn't predators, it's the loss of their habitat. Deforestation, agricultural expansion, and illegal pet trade activities have devastated their natural habitats, pushing the species to the brink of extinction. Dedicated conservationists are working to protect these unique lizards. By supporting sustainable practices and fighting illegal wildlife trade, we can help ensure the Mexican alligator lizard's survival for future generations.